Keep it PG.
Oh, shit!
Damn, this soundbar is pretty sick.
We just gotta dome the helmet cam with
Oh, freaked out, bro. That board's crazy. Bro. Yeah. Oh, you're going switch, I get it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro, if I can get some surf flash on me.
Cartier ran away from me. They all ran from me. Oh my god. They ran from me. They don't want the camera. Hey! I don't think it's on.
Okay.
Is the light flashing?
No. I don't know.
It's definitely on, bro.
C-box, wall ride, hip to the little clit out of the boob.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
The bonk?
Yeah.
I keep getting faked out now. I feel like I'm doing a workout. Turn this button on, run to the other side. Oh. Boop. Boop.
Dude, I'm scared. Come on, brother.
Titties. Practice. Let me see. Let's practice getting you like a YouTube intro. Like,
No,
give me, like,
bro, get that
like,
thing off.
What up, guys?
No.
Hey, I heard a beep. Did someone beep it for me? fuck. Oh, what's up, y'all? It's CC Hyman. We're out here on the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Let's get after it. Let's snowboard. Yeah. Going into the bus. Back. Let's go back disaster. Indy. Ski. Oh shit. Pole jam. Back one tail. A little too big. Wow. What a run. Now, turn this bitch off. What's up, guys? We're back. Run number maybe 2. I think I got the other runs filmed earlier. That was boring. There's the S-rail. If we can get through it, I'm gonna go back 3 out. And just like that, we're back at the top. Tap. Why'd I say it like that? Tap, tap, top. We're back at the top. I'm at the top. I'm at the top of the slope. I'm at the top of the ski run. I'm at the top of the terrain park. The terrain park. I might go back 50 on the S-rail. And then if we can make it through, we'll whip. Yeah, I said it. Whip a back 3 out. Cab 1 tail press here. Ah, kind of soggy. Let's. Nope. We are back in the ghost yard. Feeling spooky. 180 on. Oh! Really? I'm gonna do this quad just for you guys. Ooh, that was for you guys. Ooh, that felt good. Here we go, here we go. Fudge! No.
What they got set up for you.
Oh, I know, I saw that last run. That is like not gonna work. Boxzilla to loose snowboards. I'm trying to trick over here. This looks so freaking stupid. All right, we got Boxzilla to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm in the middle of trying the freaking S-rail. Dude, there's gotta be like 10. 11.
11, official count is 11.
All right. Ugh, it's so silly. I don't know, I want to just 50-50, 360 out of a rail. Now they're like, we got a Boxzilla with 11 snowboards, Cody! Someone just yelled board side. Are you nuts? You're nuts! You're out of your mind! Sorry, Aiden. Such a good idea. I might as well be naked too while doing it. I should get naked. Naked Boxzilla. Oh fuck, I'm going flat. I'm literally wasting my energy. All right, a little slower. Ah! Let's see if we can get this back 3 out of the S-rail. Nope. Nope. Oh my god, okay. Good one, a good one. Good one. Come on. Come on. Oh! That was gonna be it. Back 50 is clearly the move. Here we go. Here we go. No! It's funny, the shape of the hip, it's like a mini chode. You got the sack, and then front of the sack, it's pretty straight forward. And it's not real long, it's just short and thick. So yeah, it's a chode. Chode hip. Oh! I better get this. Oh my god, I better get this. Let's go, baby. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Thank you guys. I'm gonna hand the helmet off to Parker with the snow skate.
What is up, vlog? Bro, peep these. Shout out Chris the Cat. R.I.P. my brother for real, but you know, we representing. Oh, another one? Whoa, wow. Gotta finish the line. Finish the line. All about finishing here. Oh! First tee. That's all we need. Cut the clips. PG out. Zodiac, the camera's already rolling, bro.
What's going on, guys? We're out here at Pond Knob, having the time of our lives. Got all the boys. Drinks are flowing. Best day of our life. We're live. We're live, boys. Binding's a little loose. Oh, big 50. Oh, that thing is big. Big and long. Oh, doghouse, best feature in the park. Got the boys. We got, whoa! My boy Joe out here getting sunburnt, doing his thing. Living the dream, baby. We're live, boys. Whoa! That was scary!
We're recording.
We're live, y'all. Come on. that snow, guys. Oh! Right back on the rope, guys. Pine Knob Park. 2026 season's coming to an end. You know the season's almost over when you can fish at the bottom of the lake. They stock it every summer with gar, pike, and bass. Oh! Almost died, y'all. Go over. Brown Smith, you guys want it? Oh man, that was loose. Box might be a little sticky. Oh. Holy smokes, guys. Fake out. We're gonna try and not give Luke a choice here. Get him an iPhone lap. Oh, we gotta get some speed rolling. Teddy's flying. That's rare. That's rare from this guy, you guys. Got smoked. All right, guys. Luke's inspiring me. I gotta get one.
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Oh, the wind's killing me. I'm stopping him in his tracks.
We're live?
It doesn't have the...
It's down. Joe's sweating like a pig. We're live at Pine Knob. On the Chris the Cat deck.
Ah. Let's surf.
Oh my god, dude, this board is wicked. The nose like wants to just grab you. Little private park action with the boys. Oh my.
Oh,
What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube?
Oh, yeah. There's Geeked Up.
Geek Mags. Geek Mags. I'm gonna try to grind the rainbow with it in between this. Dude. All right. Oh! It kind of worked. That was fucking horrible. Oh. Bro, I hit the tube so hard the tube moved. Look at this. The nose dove into this. Yeah, it don't compute. It does not compute.
Good.
I got fucking...
Are you good?
Bro, the board.
You
The board does not compute with these angles, bro. They don't. They don't.
What's up, YouTube?
I fucking, dude, I hit my head so hard, my head hurts.
Oh no.
No, well, obviously I remember what I hit my fucking head
Your
on.
head on the fucking rail?
Yes, well, I don't know. Maybe. I shoulder checked the fuck out of the thing.
You ready for them beans?
Dude, get the fuck.
He wants you to film.
Go, bro, go. I'll film this in the.
Quit it, I'm trying to real trick. Quit it. Ah, get me off. Pussy, bro.
Oh my god, I gotta like get used to this board again. Oh, it feels good. Here. Here you go. Oh! Oh man. We gotta get active. Oh! Ready? I'll get that soon.
How's it look? Here, pretend I'm riding.
Oh yeah, your buddy.
Oh, Geek Bar. We are live, baby. We are live. We got Gavatron. Oh, Big Air. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is it, boys. Sunday fun day. Feeling the sun. Daylight savings. We lost an hour of sleep, but us boys, we don't ever sleep. Oh, big 50. Oh, yeah. Oh, going fast. Oh, too long of a rail for me, man. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa. This way. Oh, Boxilla's looking nice. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew. Oh yeah, that was kind of sick. Little box, up. Whoa! Boys! I think the boys are coming out here to like side slip everything. They think the session is over, but little do they know, it is just getting started. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Try to skip. Son of a bitch. They're trying to shut me down, but I ain't leaving. Oh, shitty, but it'll play, I guess. Hey, boys, this guy right here in front of me is trying to shut me down, but I ain't fucking leaving. Yeah, this is, oh, maybe. Oh, yeah, not there. Mr. Yellow Man, Mr. Watermelon Man. Doesn't know what he is doing. None of these boys do. 270, maybe 360. We'll see what happens. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Look at these fools in front of me, just paving the way to success. Shout out my boys for keeping me groomed. Oh yeah! We got Joe on the follow cam. We got Joe on cam. What do we got from the kid? Oh my God, incredible slip. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Little board slide. On the slip cam, we got Matt done, keeping her sideways. Oh, we got my boy Matt really working the fucking angles. Boxzilla looking sick, maybe a little sticky. Oh. Yeah. There you have it, boys. I need a motherfucking ball. Damn. Yo. Told you I wasn't fucking playing. Come on now. Holy shit.
Let's go, buddy. I was gonna shank that bitch, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.